video, we will learn how to set cluster default values. Follow these steps to set the default value of the entire cluster to the current value of each individual element. So let's first create a cluster, put some controls in it. Set some values. In the front panel window, right click the cluster shell border. Then we can select data operations and make current value default from the shortcut menu. Follow these steps to reset all elements to their individual default configuration. So let's first change these values. In the front panel window, right click the cluster shell border. Then from data operations, select Reinitialize to default value from the shortcut menu, and the values revert to their previously set default values. Follow these steps to change the default value of a single element in a cluster. In the front panel window, select the element whose default value we want to set. Enter the new default value for the element. Right click the element, then select data operations and then make current value default from the shortcut menu.